Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video, as you can tell, is a what I eat in a week with my plant-based lifestyle. I just want to do a little disclaimer before we begin. This is not a recipe video. I'm not showing you how I make every single meal, simply because I'm consistently with my family for every meal of every day. So to do that would be really noisy and I just couldn't get that in. So this right now, I'm just showing you specifically what I typically eat in a week. But with that, I made a blog post. It is in the description that has the recipe for every single thing I ate this week. So if you see a meal or hear about a meal that you think is awesome, check out my blog post. I put the recipe there. But I will be doing videos in the future of like recipe videos. I just couldn't do a full week of them since I'm always with my family. But with that being said, I still hope you enjoy this video, get an idea of what I'm eating, some new recipe ideas, and check out my blog with the recipes. Then let's just jump into Monday's breakfast. Every morning, I always start with fresh lemon water, vitamins, and either coffee or matcha. So I will film if I have coffee or matcha, which one throughout the week. So yeah, let's go get my lemon water. This morning, I am starting my morning with a cup of coffee with some almond milk creamer. I use the vanilla silk one. Probably use 2 tablespoons till it's like my hair color. So yeah, coffee today.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime.
So starting on this Monday, my breakfast is a protein shake with some toppings. I change up my protein shakes throughout the week. I usually have a protein shake like every day. It is scrumdiddlyumptious, let me tell you. So this is my breakfast for this Monday. This is what I'm eating for lunch. It is kale, roasted Brussels sprouts, roasted carrots, onion, hummus, balsamic, and tofu. Just a salad. That's it. I love tofu salads and kale. You'll probably see me eat these a lot throughout the week. I just usually eat the same kind of base and then change up the ingredients. So that's lunch. It's 2:06. I'm snacking on carrots and hummus. I do every day. Before like every meal. I don't know. For dinner tonight, we tried making a curry with our new cookbook. It's just rice and chickpeas and sweet potatoes and tomatoes and spinach and ginger and onion. And we're gonna put it over a bed of, what rice did you make?
Basmati.
Basmati. And that's dinner for tonight.
I keep falling for you like every night.
So every night I end it with 2 things for sure and maybe a third. So after I eat dinner, I always have a ginger lemon tea. I just feel good. It calms my stomach, and feel like it deep bloats me. Some nights, if I have a sweet tooth, I'll have a cube of dark chocolate, and if I do, I'll record it. Tonight I didn't. I just didn't have a sweet tooth, so I didn't need it. I have my ginger lemon tea, and then when I head downstairs for the night, which right now it's 9:30, I usually go to bed around 10:30. I make a detox tea and drink that just to give my stomach that final coat of getting my digestion nice and not bloating, and it just honestly tastes good. So yes, I make sure to do that every night, and that is part of my routine. So that is what I ate today, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down.
So this is my lunch. It's just beets, onion, cucumber, tomato, tofu, butternut squash, a little bit of broccoli, avocado, hummus, hemp seeds, and balsamic. So yeah, just a big old salad. I'm so sorry I forgot to film dinner, but I had pad see ew, which is a Thai dish. It was just supposed to be like soba noodles, but I just used black bean spaghetti with all pan fried, or like just cooked on the stove, mushrooms, onion, garlic, pepper, broccoli, and sun-dried tomatoes, and such an incredible sauce, which is white rice vinegar, coconut amino sriracha, and you can use a sweetener. I use agave. It is so delicious. Then I had my tea and chocolate, and now I'm having my detox tea. And we also had a glass of rosé with dinner. So that is today.
Let's you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never.
3:20 and I'm still not hungry from my protein shake from 9 a.m. So I don't really know, but I'm just gonna grab some grapes and snack on them because I feel like it's not right that I haven't eaten yet. After I had my big old bowl of grapes, I was like, maybe I am hungry. So I just made a salad. All it is veggies because I'm not really like that hungry and I've been feeling really gross today, so I don't want to like anything too heavy, but I just cut up some romaine. I put in beets, sun-dried tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, onion, cucumber, and there was literally like a hunk of a carrot left, so I just threw it in. And I just put lemon juice, olive oil, or a little bit of avocado oil, and balsamic as the dressing. It's 6:20 and we're gonna start making dinner. Tonight we're having burrito bowls.
Sorbet, like it is the best, yeah.
Then I had a square of chocolate. Now I'm having my ginger lemon tea. Now just having my detox tea, and I'll see you in the morning.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night.
This is the masterpiece. Like, how amazing does that look? Oh my god, it's so good. So good. It is Friday morning, so I figured I'd treat myself to a little TikTok coffee. And that's exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds.
For lunch, I'm just having avocado toast and just a little salad with romaine, cucumber, onion, and tomato.
Like day by day.